Hey guys, how's it going? How to make mental quora. To make a mental quora, what you're gonna do, a brief or impactful answer on quora, follow these steps. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and start with the hook. Begin with a strong attention grabbing sentence that directly addresses the question. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see right here, for example, right here, this is a question, this is the answers, and be concise. Keep your response brief, focusing on the most important points. Aim for clarity and brevity, and then use bullet points or numbered list. These make your answer easy to read and understand quickly. Include a relevant example or anecdote, like a short relevant story or example can make your answer more relatable and memorable. And then end with a thought-provoking statement. Finish with a conclusion or insight that encourages a further reflection or discussion. For example, how can I improve my mental focus? Start your day with a clear goal, break tasks into smaller steps, practice mindfulness to stay present, limit distractions by setting specific times for social media, consistent sleep and exercise boost cognitive functions, and then focus isn't just a skill, it's a habit built over time. Start small and watch your concentration grow. So, I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.